So welcome back to the channel. My name is Mukul Pava. I am a second generation real estate agent based out of Gurgaon, actively working on golf course extension area, and today we are standing in the balcony of this 1950 square feet of 3 BHK layout available on sale. This is Palm Drive. This is how the greens are, and I'll be showcasing you the layout totally from inside, how the layout is designed. So sit back and enjoy the video. So we are inside Palm Drive, and this is how the society is looking right now, and this is how the society is maintained. I'll be showcasing a layout available on sale in this property in this video, and before that I'm just showing you how the outer facade is maintained. This is your clubhouse, which is catering you with all the amenities. यहाँ पे आपकी सारी चीज़ें, gymnasium, club and swimming pool, spa, saloon, all these things are functional. जो आप ये बड़े towers देख रहे हैं, ये है Sky Terraces के नाम से. These are the ones which are offering you 3 and 4 BHKs in bigger sizes. सो 3300 स्क्वायर फीट से लेके 3900 स्क्वायर फीट तक के आपको यहाँ पे इन टावर्स में मिलते हैं. एंड द यूनिट विच वी विल बी लुकिंग एट टुडे इज़ इन दीज टावर्स. सो आई विल बी शोकेसिंग अ यूनिट इन दीज MN टावर्स, जो आपको यहाँ पे 1900 स्क्वायर फीट का मिल जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द सोसाइटी इज़ मेंटेन्ड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ वीडियो रिसेंटली ऑन पाम ड्राइव, जिसमें आपको 2200 स्क्वायर फीट का 3+ सर्वेंट मिलता है. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक आउट दैट लेआउट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बिगर साइज. If you are convenient in a 3 BHK plus store layout, then this will be the layout which is available on sale particularly. And it is a very good unit, park facing, lower floors में है. And यहाँ से आपका सारा club area दिख जाता है. So this is how the society is maintained. It is a very huge society, 27 acres में spread है. You are getting ample number of layouts in this particular area, and there are good number of greens. आपको different separate courts मिलते हैं बच्चों के खेलने के लिए. So each and every sport has its own dedicated area, and then you have ample greens. Visitor parking is not a problem, and then you're getting 2 levels of basement inside this society, which is catering all your day-to-day needs. And then there are a lot of convenience shop in this area. तो यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी सारी convenience shopping, छोटी shops मिल जाती हैं जहाँ पे आप अपनी daily needs fulfill कर सकते हैं. And now without wasting any time, we'll be taking you directly towards the unit which is available on sale. So just a look around. By the time we reach our tower, I'm just showing you कि यहाँ पे किस तरीके से चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं. This is the main entrance towards the club. यहाँ से जाते हैं आप लोग, and then यहाँ पे senior citizens का room है, saloon, spa, these things are available. Today is a Sunday, and this is how the swimming pool is looking. वहाँ पे आपकी सारी convenience shop है जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था. So and then उसी के सामने you're getting a very big huge park, and this is how your tower and like tower lobby and I mean the entrances are looking. छोटे बच्चों के लिए जगह है खेलने के लिए, and then you're getting good landscaping all around the area. 2200 स्क्वायर फीट का 3 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट, एंड देन 2600 स्क्वायर फीट का भी यहाँ पे लेआउट मिलता है आपको इन टावर्स में, जो मेरे लेफ़्ट साइड में है. एंड ये जो है स्काई टेरेसेस है, इसमें मैंने आपको एज आई हैव टोल्ड कि इसमें यू आर गेटिंग बिगर साइजेस. एंड दैट इज़ M3M IFC सेक्टर 65 का मेन लोकेशन, जस्ट टू गेट अ बेसिक आइडिया कि हम कहाँ पे हैं. ये दिस इज़ इन सेक्टर 66, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ वी आर एंटरिंग इनसाइड दिस एरिया. सो दिस इज़ हाउ योर टावर लॉबी इज़. सो आप यहाँ से जाते हैं, एंड देन यू एंटर इनसाइड दिस लॉबी, and we'll be taking you towards the unit now. So currently we are standing in the lift lobby area, and we are on first floor. This is how the lift lobby is looking. You're getting 3 elevators, and then total usually there are अगर इस फ्लोर से हम ऊपर जाते हैं तो आपको पर फ्लोर 6 अपार्टमेंट्स मिलते हैं. But particularly on this floor, because this is you have a window right over here, so there are total 5 apartments on this level, 2 in opposite to this direction, and बाकी जो 3 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं वो इस साइड पे आ जाते हैं. And then the apartment which we'll be looking at today, which is available on sale, is this one. We are in Tower M, and this is your unit which is available on sale. This is 1950 square feet, and we are entering inside this layout. So this is your fire exit door, and there is another one on the other side. We are standing on the main entrance door of the unit. This is 1996 square feet of 3 BHK plus store plus utility. We are entering east, exit is west. You'll be getting ample sunlight in the morning in this unit, and then this is how the foyer area is. So there is a small foyer, and then the layout spread across. So standing, we will be just entering inside the middle, and I'll give you a brief on where what is. So this is your living dining space in in the palm drive, and then this is the living dining section. There is bedroom number 1, then there is bedroom number 2, and then there is the third bedroom right at this side, and then there is a kitchen and a storeroom right over here. So starting from the storeroom, I'll show you how the store is. So this is how the storage area is. So ये unit पहले rented था, it has been recently vacated and is available on sale. तो आपको basic whitewash will be required in this unit because it was recently vacated. And then we are in the utility balcony. This is first floor, so you can easily have a look down below on the front porch area, and you can cover it as well with soft construction if required. And the view is quite good. You are directly facing the greens of the unit. You have a wet point for the washing machine. AC के output unit आपको overhead मिल जाते हैं. And from here we are entering inside the kitchen. So this is how the kitchen is designed. So you are getting the countertops. There is hob, chimney, geysers installed, and basic आपको यहाँ पे woodwork मिलता है. And then there is the gas pipeline already installed in the premises. So this is how the kitchen is designed. We'll be entering back in the layout. So just opposite to kitchen, there is a powder room for the guests, and then there is a powder room right over here, which is just across the kitchen area, and you have a bedroom. So this bedroom don't receive much of the light because it is designed in this way. I hope you can easily look out how the layout is. So you're getting wooden flooring in this bedroom, and then you have ample area for the closets, and then there is a window for the ventilation right over here. So this is the window which is giving you some ventilation in the room, and then you have, so they have made a glass partition door for the restroom, so this can be locked, and this is like opaque, you cannot see it through. And then just for these bedroom guys who will be utilizing this bedroom, they can easily access the washroom from here rather than going outside the area, I mean the room. So this is the first bedroom, and then this is the guest bedroom. Coming inside, the layout opens up, and this is how the living dining area is. You're getting a very huge living dining area which is connected with the first balcony, and it is directly facing the parks of the green area of the premises. And then you have the second bedroom right over here. Second bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, and this is how the bedroom is. आपको इसके साथ balcony attached नहीं मिल रही है, but you are getting a good window access. So from here you can have good views of the greens. This is how the society is maintained, and यहाँ से आपको ventilation easily, airflow is still coming as we are standing. So this is how the second bedroom is. यहाँ पे आपको wooden flooring मिलती है, and then you have a closet area to get you dressed up, and then you have an attached bathroom. So this is bathroom number 2. You are getting basic fittings in the bathroom, like the American fittings are already installed, and then you will be getting some of them. आपको जैसे भी आपकी requirement रहती है वो आप अपने हिसाब से यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. Coming back, हम वापस living dining में हैं. So this is how the living dining is structured. आपके सोफे यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, and then you have a dining section right over here, or you can do vice versa, whatever seems good to you. यहाँ से आपकी first balcony है जो main balcony है. I mean the second balcony, utility हमने already देख लिया. So this is a balcony which is facing the swimming pool and the green areas of the society. So this is how the area is, and these are the towers which are offering you higher, like bigger sizes of the 3 and 4 BHKs. Coming back inside, so the width of the balcony is plus 6 feet, like it is more than 6 feet if you see, and then quite wide. Coming back inside, you have a master bedroom just across the layout. So this is your master bedroom, and you have a bigger balcony, like a quite spacious balcony. You can easily put up a chair, 2 chairs and a mini table, and enjoy a coffee right over there looking at the greens area of the place. And it is totally park facing. East direction है आपकी यहाँ से, so आपको morning sunlight, you will be getting ample morning sunlight in this area. And अगेन यहाँ से ये बालकनी कनेक्टेड है, लाइक एक एल शेप में कनेक्टेड है, which is like this. So you're getting extra balcony space right in this area. So it is a good wide balcony which is giving you the access of this beautiful view. Coming back inside, यहाँ पे आपके ऊपर आपकी AC units installed है and सोसाइटी 2016 के आसपास डिलीवर्ड हुई थी. आपको यहाँ पे decent amenities सारी मिल जाती हैं, whatever a person requires while residing in a residential property. You're getting wooden flooring in this area, and then you have double closets right over there. So these are the double closets, and then you have a master bathroom right over there. There's a bathtub attached with some sitting area right over there in the across the bathtub area. So this is the master bedroom of the unit, and now we'll be going back. So coming out of the master bedroom, we are back inside the layout. So as I have told you, this unit has been recently vacated by the tenants, and the whitewash has still not been done. Rest, all the details of the property will be in the description box below. Coming towards the asking price of the property, this property is priced at 3.25 crores, slightly negotiable, and I have already mentioned all the details of the property in the description box below, so do check that out. Thank you so much for being till here. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one very soon. Thanks.